Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern. Unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device now. Firstly what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key. Wait for it to turn off completely. And after it completely turns off, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. The following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode, select an option clear data, then select clear all data, confirm it. And after a few seconds, all the data from your device will be wiped, including this lock screen password. So then you just have to tap return, go back and restart your device. And it will be restarted in about a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.